Faint ydych chi'n wybod am GeoMôn? Ond mae Ynys Môn yn llawn trysora ac un o'r mwyaf gwerthfawr ydy'n daeareg ni, y creigiau o'n cwmpas ni a dan yn traed, ac mae GeoMôn yn aelod o rwydwaith Geoparks Byd-eang UNESCO.
People come here especially because they know it's a special place, because it's UNESCO. They can come and see what it is that's so special here. And Anglesey is a wonderful place for geology. I think it's the best in the world, to be quite honest.
Wel, wrth baratoi am broses ail-ddilysu UNESCO, proses yn digwydd bob 4 blynedd, mae GeoMôn wedi croesawu nifer o wirfoddolwyr sy'n fyfyrwyr daeareg ym Mhrifysgol Bangor.
We came on tours and field trips around the island in different places, and we followed Margaret's book, which is from GeoMôn. So it really interested me, and then when I saw they were looking for volunteers to do walks and work in the watch house, I was like, that's for me.
There's not many places you can go where there's this many different kinds of geological just stuff everywhere, and I feel honoured to be able to learn here. It's a pretty decent place to do that.
A nid dim ond y ddaeareg sy'n cael sylw. Ar ôl taith o gwmpas arfordir ardal Llanbadrig ger Cemais yng ngogledd yr Ynys, i gafon ni hanes eglwys Sant Padrig hefyd. Ie, yr un Padrig ddath yn Nawddsant Iwerddon.
I enjoy sort of getting the word out about it, because my parents live on Anglesey and they've never heard of half these places, and I think my favourite thing is just sort of being able to teach people about things that they've not heard of before, and just giving people more insight into something that they never knew.
We're very fortunate here that we have the university with lots of keen students, and for them this kind of activity, talking to the public about science, about geology, etc., is something they wouldn't do in the university as such, but it's a really useful experience for them. It'll look good on their CVs, so everybody benefits.
Ac wrth gwrs mae o'n hwb yn y broses o baratoi am yr ail-ddilysu gan UNESCO.
Hopefully they can be around when we're being examined, because they'll be impressed by what, they've only had 2 goes. This is their second go doing this sort of thing, and they're amazing.
Dwi'n edrych ymlaen i weld cynllun GeoMôn yn tyfu a datblygu mewn blynyddoedd i ddod, ac yn edrych ymlaen i weld mwy yn dysgu amdano fo. Ac wrth gwrs, yn dymuno dda i'r tîm yn proses ail-ddilysu UNESCO, mae o mor bwysig i Ynys Môn.